$300! Wow! $400? $250! Hey, did you know that you could make $300 a day by typing names on your computer right at home? If you want to know how you can make $300 a day just by typing names, then come with me on this video and I'll show you exactly what site I'm talking about so that you can do it too. Oh wow! We actually broke 100 subscribers. You're like, you sell some stuff.
About the income into affiliate marketing.
Okay, so I'm here at the computer and I'm going to show you exactly which site it is that you can use to make up to $300 and even more dollars per day, and all you're going to be doing is typing names. Now this company is actually a platform where it connects creative people with businesses that may want to find a name for themselves, a tagline. Sometimes they're looking for logos, sometimes they're looking for domains, okay? And all this is brought together on one platform. Where you come in is you're going to be the one to help the companies actually come up with a name. So you're going to help brand them. The first thing that you need to do when you get on this site is to sign up. Now, before we get started, this is available worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you are in the world, you can participate on this site too, and it is paid to both PayPal and Payoneer. Then when we're on the inside, I'm going to show you all the way through the website what you need to do, and right at the end I'm going to give you an added bonus for how you can create yourself more money online. So stick with me to the end to make sure you get all of those bonuses and don't miss a step on how you can maximize your profit on this site. So let's get into it. So the first site we're going to look at is right here. As I told you before, this is where you're going to provide a name for a business. And so what these businesses do is they come on here and they start a contest, and they're the contests that you can enter into in order to start making your money. Down here, these are previous winners of contests that have already been held. So this is things that you can use to spark your imagination and give yourself some ideas to enable you, to like enter into competitions with ideas that you know have already won. You can spark your own ideas using these. So you can go through these and have a look at the kind of things that have already won and made people money in the past, all right? And further down here, you've got different names that are already done and are for sale. They're the world's #1 naming platform, and they're recognised as one of the most innovative companies by Inc. magazine. They have worked with over 20,000 customers, from early stage startups on this side and to large enterprises on this side, and you can see the names as you scroll down of the different companies they've already worked with. So you can see here Dell, Philips, Gameforce, Pepsi, there's some really big names here. And then you've got your startups on this side, some that you may not have heard of because, like I say, they are startup university, but you can see the kind of idea of names that are winning competitions here. Okay, so how do you get started and how do you enter into the competitions, right? So what you're going to do here is you're going to go to contests and you're going to go browse, and then you're going to go to active contests. This is going to show you all of the contests that are available to work on right now. And as you can see on this page here, this is where all the contests are. Now, when you start, make sure you filter by active contests and then guaranteed payout. And the reason guaranteed is because if it says $500 here, you actually want to make sure you're going to get guaranteed that. So you want to make sure it says guaranteed prize here. You can filter by award amount here, and it brings it up with the highest paying contest at the top. And it goes all the way down as the list goes down. So as you can see here, 550, 500, 300, 300. And as I just scroll down here, you can see there is an absolute ton of these contests available, and they're all on average between $100 to $300. However, there are some available up to $1,200, but you can just scroll through and see absolutely bunches and bunches of these contests available. So let's have a look at this one. So brand name for home service business, right? And it's $100 prize. It tells you here how many days are left and how many people have already entered it and how long ago it was posted. And then if you click on it, it's going to take you to the inside, and this is what they're asking for. So they want you to name their company name. So that's what they're looking for, just a name. So all you're going to do is type out names for this contest and then submit your application, right? The contest package, so basically this contest is part of a bundle package for name and logo, but this particular part they're just after a name, title of the project, and that's who they are, and what they're looking for is a brand. Then you need to read this, and then it's going to give you an idea of what they want, what they're looking for with that name. They do want a URL, so you need to make sure whatever name that you give or submit to them, the URL, the website name is available. They only want .coms, so when you're doing your search, you have to make sure there is an available website for the name you create. The type of business is home, and just read all the way through this. Make sure you go through it well, do your research, and then submit your names. Now, I'm pretty sure you could submit as many entries as you want. You could come up with 10 different names and submit all 10 of them, giving you 10 chances of winning. How much do people actually make on this site? Well, if we go back to here, if we go to contests and winners, you can see all the winners of previous contests here. So $100 won, $250 won, $300 won, $100, $150, you get the point. They're all over $100 and up to, on average, about $300. You can get prizes ranging up to $1,200. But as you go down, you can just see. And you can also see like previous winning designs. So you can give yourself some ideas too. Here, you know, the winning design for this one. And then when it's a name, it tells you what it is and what it was for. You can see which ones won. So you're getting an idea of the kind of things that are already winning. We can then go to leaderboard, and this is where you can see how much people are actually earning on the site. So this person here, she's first overall and first for last month, and she won 11 contests last month, and the amount she's earned overall on the site is $55,439. And as you can scroll down here, you can just see the amount of money people have made. Okay, so there is an absolute ton of money to be won on this site, and all you need to do is type names and just give ideas to companies, and if the company selects you, you win the money. And there is no limit to how many contests you can enter. You just keep entering them and entering them. Now, the only thing with this site, and this site is called Squad Help here, the only downside to this site is there are a lot of people on it. So because there are so many people on the site trying to win these contests, you need to enter a lot of these competitions in order to just maybe win one or two. Now, some of the people that have won, like the lady that's number one with 11 contests last week, she's obviously a pro, but she enters bunches and bunches and bunches of these competitions in order to win that. So she does put in a lot of time. So as with anything like this, as I've told you before, you are actually trading your time for money. So if trading your time for money is not something that you want to do and you are looking to break away from that, and this site is a really great way to make yourself some extra income if that's what you're looking for. So do go ahead and sign up to that, enter into some competitions and just see how creative you can be and how much money you can earn doing that. But like I said, if trading your time for money isn't something that you want to do, if you want to learn how to break away from that, if you want to learn how to create a passive income and make money while you sleep, while you're on vacation, maybe you're sitting on the beach drinking a pina colada, whatever it is that you want to do with your time, and then you want to earn money too, then check out the link in the description below. It is our first link. It is our #1 recommended way to make money online. This is a way that you can create a passive income, an income that works for you. It's a business. It's not a part-time job. It's not a hobby. It's not a bit on the side. It is a business for you to build so that you can create a life that you know you deserve. So if you're stuck in a job right now that you don't want to be in, whatever that job is, whether you're in an office, maybe you're in a factory, maybe you're a stay-at-home mum and you just want to do something different with your spare time, or you don't want to go back to your job once your maternity leave's finished, whatever it is that you want to do, this can work for you. As long as you Put forth the effort, because it is really important to understand that nothing comes for free. You have to put in the effort. Okay, and it's really important that you understand that this isn't for everybody. So if you don't have the work ethic and you don't have the determination and drive, then it's not for you, I'm afraid.
That is why you fail.
But for those of you that do, for those of you that are like us, like me, and actually really want to pursue your dream, and you know what you want and you know where you want to go and you can actually see it, but you just don't know how to get there, then check that link out and get the life that you've been dreaming of. Me and Ryan are doing this. This is what we do every day and we thoroughly enjoy it. It is an absolute amazing journey to be on. So like I said, do check out that link and watch the video, and hopefully we'll see you on the other side. So for now guys, that's everything I have for this video, and as always, have a great day, make it epic, and I will see you on the next video.